What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can like, comment, and follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, so meron na naman tayong bagong reaction video for Carmel Collado. I mean, we're going to do a reaction video for Carmel Collado. Her January 10, 2025 na performance, yung first na rest back performance, it was it really went viral, no, and trending on both TikTok and on Facebook, and as well as dito sa YouTube. Now we're going to react to her January 11 performance. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video and mag-enjoy tayo. Hopefully this one is as good, or at least, di ba, mas mas unkabogable pa kesa sa January 10. So, let's go.
I want to be a day to give the best of me. Only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. Broke my heart.
Yung suot niya parang pang grand finals na eh. Galing. Ang galing nung diction, no? Haha. Love the dynamics. Haha. Para siya si Bini Gwen. Woo! Ayan na. Eto, manino to. Kinanta to ni dati ni Eric Santos. Woo! Grabe. I love the angst. O, diba, sabi ko kanina, yung suot pa lang pang grand finals na. Yung song niya, winning piece na for the grand finals. Grabe. Alam, while I was watching her, it was actually very impressive. But, she did it, she performed it, na parang so effortless. Now, she was enjoying it. Walang struggle. Walang pressure na nakikita. She was ready to sing the song. And, make everybody feel impressed sa kanyang performance. No? She's ready for the big moment. Yun yung na-feel ko sa kanya. No? I've never like seen a hint of kaba, no, sa mukha niya, yung tindig niya. No, I did not notice anything. Ang nakita ko lang is yung giggle sa kanta, yung clarity ng boses, yun yung narinig ko. Nung nakita ko sa kanya, she was ready for that moment. And base nga sa sabi niya, sa kinanta niya, one moment in time. No? It was impressive. No, I know that she can do more. No, I know that she's capable of going beyond this performance. No, kasi sa galing niya, parang alam ko mas may magagawa pa siyang like very unkabogable. It was unkabogable but because of that effortless na performance, parang 'di ba? It was amazing. O tingnan niyo yung mukha niya dito. Parang siyang si Beanie Gwen, o 'di ba? So sana magkita sila tapos magpicture silang dalawa, no? Beanie Gwen. Siya si Beanie Carmel. Anyway, so let me know what you think about her performance and mag-comment kayo kung ano yung mga tawag ng tangalan performances na gusto nyong i-react ko pa. Okay? Para react tayo agad. Meron na akong i-record, no, i-video. So that's it. And don't forget to subscribe if bago kayo dito. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. So peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe. And God bless you all. Peace.